Students who are in the online. Am I audible, students? Okay. So let us move to the further. So what was our last class concept? Hmm? Merging of data frame. What is the function for that? Come on. Concat. What is the syntax? Data frame object dot pandas dot. Of course, you will create a data frames. Multiple data frames you will create, and you will write hmm, that data frame object pandas dot concat of data frame 1, data frame 2, multiple data frames you will use it. So that it will be merged based on row wise. Row wise. If you go for column wise, you know, access is equal to 1. What happens to that? I shown you clearly without filling the space by filling the space. So nance I was eliminated. Did you remember that? Yes. So now it's a time to see to go for another important concept, which is the most useful to you. That is called group by concept. So group by concept is also very important. So what is this group by concept is? Group by concept. So group by concept in pandas. Important. So in this group by concept, we are going to use it to, this concept is used to divide, used to divide. There is nothing but this is used to split, used to divide or split the data set, data set into different parts, different parts, different parts based on categorical data, categorical data. So categorical data. Based on categorical data, the group by concept is going to split. Take an example, direct example, I will take it. Election Commission of India having voter IDs, voter details of 29 states plus some union territories, correct? So I want to go for dividing into state wise. What is the common value there? In a voter list of India, there will be a state name will be there or not? Suppose you're all there. What is the state name? For example, Telangana, AP, and next is called what? Karnataka. Something like state name will be there. So what will be the categorical data there? State. I want to split that entire voter list into different state-wise data. Is it called splitting or dividing the entire data set data into different parts or not? Yes. Next, suppose in a state, you people are belongs to different districts, right or not? In a state, there are a lot of districts are there. Every population will contain one district column will be there. I want to categorize the statewide data in the form of district. So what is the categorical data? District. Come on. Right. In the district, I want again go for categorical data. What is the data? Mandals. Right or not? So again, I will go for in district. All the population will be there with the mandal wise information. Will write it. Are you getting it? So what is the categorical data? Once again there, mandals. So state level. Next is called a district level, mandal level. That is are all called what? Splitting our given data set into different type of thing. Are you following me? Right. In the state, I want to divide the population into two categories, into three categories. One is called males, one more is called females, and one more is called transgenders. What is this categorical data there? Gender. Are you following me? Right. Like that, I want to go for using that into group by concept. How to do this categorical data? For that, we are going to write it data frame dot data frame object dot data frame object dot. What is the function name? Group by of, I will write one of the column. Which column? Categorical column. So I need to write Categorical column name you need to write it. Categorical column name you need to write it. I think you are following me. Can I group employee numbers? No. Employee name? No. Salary? No. Designation? Yes. Group of software engineers, group of team leaders, group of testers, group of supporters. Will I categorize or not? Yes. So city, I can categorize. Profession, I can categorize. Gender, I can categorize. District, I can categorize. Employee number cannot be categorized because it is a single value. Come on. Yes. So like that, I will go for it. Group by concept returns one variable. Returns one variable. Returns one variable. That variable name is containing two parts again. Actually, this variable name here, variable name is of type class, class, pandas dot, here pandas dot, data frame, data frame group by, data frame group by class, data frame group by class, data frame group by class. This is called the very, very important concept, student. Data frame is a class. Group by is also one more kind of class. So variable name is called what? Data frame group by class. This variable name contains two things inside. Two things inside. One is called here variable name contains two things. Contains two parts. What is that? Number one is called what? Group name. Which name? Group name. Group name is nothing but what? Column name which you are going to, group name. That is nothing but Telangana state. Under the Telangana state, next is called what? Group information will be present, student. Group information will present. That is called records will present inside. Records. Records will be present. Are you following me? So group name is what example? Telangana. Under that, all the Telangana voters will be coming. Next, what will be coming? AP. AP is a group name. Under that, AP group records will be there. Next, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu related records will be there. Group by group name will come. Group information also will be coming. Two things are present inside this variable name. One is called a group name. One more is called what? Group information will present. So I'll go for one example to you so that you will understand more perfectly rather than giving you concept part. If I show the example and if I speak later anything concept, you can easily understand. Take one example, ma. I will go to this place. Here I am going to take it. Here I will take it. Rather than this concept, some examples I need to show you directly examples. Here I will take data sets. I will open one small thing here. What is that? Population. I'm opening just to see one data set here. Try to understand what is this information you are understanding at this present. At this present, what you are understanding, you try to understand. Hmm. Come on, what are the columns? Speak out, speak out. ID, name, age, city, experience. So you please observe it. You please observe it. 11, Jock, and next is called what? Mayank, Monik, and next is called Shobit. Belongs to which city? Sydney. Next, I want to go for Riti. Next is Mohit. Next is called Veena. And next is called Vikas. Belongs to, hmm? Right? Adi. Next is called what? Shash, Sh- Sh- Shanak. Some name. Some name. Next is called what? Samir. Belongs to what? Mumbai. So what is possible to group it? ID? No. Name, age, city. Yes. Experience. If you want, you can go for experience also. 17 years experienced, 14 years experienced. Like that type of group also if you want. See students, any kind of column can be grouped, provided there will be some common value required. Employee number is not, no common value is there. So it is not necessary to group it. Even if we group it, one by one only will come. Yes or no? Yes. So this is a very, very important here. So these are all comes under designation concept of this one. Shall we move to the further? Right. Now I'm going to take up, enter into the further. So I'm going to enter into this kind of data set. I will take it. Coming to this place, this data set, better I will copy this data set into this place. Here I will go to this 11 a.m. into this place. I will keep it. I will keep this data here. So go to the place. Here I am going to enter into the Jupyter notebook. So I'm going to apply. We will read the data from CSV file. New. So let us go to that. What is the concept here? And group by concept. Group by concept here. Very important concept. Let us move to the group by concept here. So I will carry this. Read the data set. Import. Pandas here as PD. Next I'm going to say df is equal to 3d dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. A minute, student. Right. Go to the place. Here I will say read underscore CSV. I'll go for what? Data set. Try to take this population dot CSV. So here I'm writing population dot CSV. Populations or population. Print of DF. Print of DF. So you are going to get it, this entire data. How do you represent this data normally when you go to that instead of CSV file? If it is available, we can take it in the form of what? First one in the list, second one in the list, third one in the list. List in list I will take or not? I'll convert it into what? Data frame. That time I can give it as what? Index. Column index or columns are? Columns I can give. Columns names I can give it. Either you can go for data set or you can go for what? Come on. CSV file I will go for it. Let us move to the further. Get it group by get city based grouping data. Get get the city based information. City based information. How do you apply? Something like group by is equal to GB is equal to, come on, start. DF dot DF dot group by of, I will write it what? City. I'll write what? City. So you need to take city, capital C. Once it is available, you can print as what, type of GB. I already said to you which type it is. Data frame group by. Data frame group by, it is a class. So there I will write it. This information I want to get it. So if you print a GB, you cannot get the data directly, students. You cannot get the data, memory address will be coming. So then how do you get this data? Then I'm going to write it something like this. What is that? Please look at. The group by concept internally will do like this. So first group containing Sydney, and this is called a group name like this, exactly like this. Group name is called Sydney. So here, and then the record 1, record 2, record 3. Next group name is called what? Delhi. Delhi. Delhi records will be coming here. Next is another group is called what? Mumbai. Next group is called Mumbai. Like this, it will be coming. So this all these things are presented by what? GB only. So how do you get this first group, second group, third group? I will use one for loop. Come on. So for loop, I will say what? For group by name, GB name. I will say GBN, comma, GB info, GB info, some variables I am taking. In where? GB I will say. So GB will provide what? Two things. Group name will be kept into GBN and group records will be kept into where? GB info. So I will print that. Group name I will print. Group information I will print it. Shall I print it? Yes. So extract, extract, or directly I will write it for GBN, comma, GB info, GB info, GBN, comma, GB info. I'm writing it. In where? GB. I will write it. Print off. I will write it directly. Group name, group name, group name. I am going to get it. Comma, GBN. I will write it. GBN. I will write it. Comma. Next is called what? Group information. That is called group records. Group records. I will write it. Group records I will write it. Inside of it I will write something like what? GB info. GB info. You try to follow me carefully. This is called one of the group information will be coming. Try to follow me carefully. You observe it. What is the group name? Delhi. Group records are going to come. These many are comes under which group? Delhi group. Delhi group. Next, one more group name is what? Mumbai. Mumbai related group is coming. Next group is called what? Sydney. Sydney group is coming. Is it called a group by information or not? Very, very useful topic. Next, online students, is it clear? Is it clear for you people how to get this group by? You can also get the same data. You can also get the same data. Something like this also. Directly I will write it what? DF dot. Come on. Group by of what I can write it? City I can write it. City. I will write C capital. So this is also will give you the same information as this. Getting me? Right. After that, after getting this group, after getting this group, I want to get the first record in the group. First record in the group. First record is called what? Reti. Next Adi is the next first record in where which group? Mumbai group. Next one more is called what? Jog is the first record in which group? City. For that, to get the first record of the group, I'll show you the complete information for you. To get the first record from each group, first record from each group, we use we use the function called we use the function. What is the function name called? First. What is the function name? First. So first you need to use it. How you need to call the first? Group by information dot first. Next, to get the last record from the group, to get the last record from the group, we use the function name called last. To get a last record, we use the function name called last. To get the any record, to get any record in the group, to get any record in the group, I will use. Come on, expect it. Any record from each group, we use any. మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది అయితే ఎంత వాట్ దట్ ఎంత మంచి స్కిల్ ఉందా మీ దగ్గర వెరీ గుడ్ స్కిల్ ఫస్ట్ రికార్డ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ రికార్డ్ అంటే సెకండ్ ఎనీ రికార్డ్ అంటే ఎనీ మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది అసలు ఎక్సలెంట్ నాలెడ్జ్ సో ఎంత ఆఫ్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు పాస్ రికార్డ్ నంబర్ యూ నీడ్ టు పాస్ రికార్డ్ సో విచ్ రికార్డ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో యూ నీడ్ టు ఫాలో రికార్డ్ నంబర్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫాలో ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ So first, last, and then what? Nth. So I'm going to apply that. Get the first record from each group. So already there is a function name called what? GBF. Are you following me? GB. There is a GB. So if you want, already there is a information is present. Already I will post it. A recent data you can take it. So now I'm going to get it. Get first record from all groups. Get first record from all groups. All groups. How do I get it? Come on. GB dot what? First. GB dot first. So you are going to get it. City based is a group. ID, Riti, Adi, and then what? Jog. Delhi group first one, Mumbai, and then Jog. You can observe it from Delhi, Riti. Next is called what you know, Adi. Next is called something like a Jog. You can also get it something like this also, student. What is the another way of getting it? As I already said to you, come on, df dot group by of what? Group by of what? City. First you group it. First you group it. When you say group by, it will done what? Splitting. Next you are applying to the function. You are applying to the function and you are going to combine. This question, this strategy is called what you know. Group by strategy is called what you know, student. Group by strategy is what you know. Split. Spell out. Split. Next is called what? Apply. Spell out. Apply. Next is called what? Combine. Combine. What is that? Combine. This is also known as what? Transform we can call. Transform. It is also very, very important. I will show in this class only. Split. Splitting is what? Divide. What we are applying? First, last, etc. Because of apply, what is happening? Bring the first record from each group and it will be combining into what? One more data frame. So this strategy is called what? Split, apply, combine. This is a direct question is coming in. What do you mean by split, apply, and a combine strategy? It's called what? Group by concept only. Come on, come to this place. Because of that, what is happening? Group by will split into what? City based. Next, what are you applying? First, which will prepare what? One more data frame will be prepared. It is transformed into one more data frame. Is it transformed into one more data frame or not? Yes. So this is called something like that. Get first record. Get all the records of what? Get last record. Get last record of all groups. What is the function name I will apply? Last I will apply. Last. Last one is coming because Samir, Shobit, something like this. So go to the place here, Shobit. Next is called what? Samir. Next is called what? Vikas. Like that we are getting it. Are you following? Next, get online students. Get which record? First record. Get second record. Second record from all the groups. Say what I forget. Nth of what? 2. End of 2. So what is happening? You see. What is the 2? Come on. 2. Where is the group first? Delhi. So what is the 2? 0, 1, 2. What is this? Veena. Next. 0, 1, 2. 2 is nothing but what? Last year. Next. 0, 1, 2. So that is going to be like this. I hope that you are getting Veena, Samir, and then Shobit. Is it clear? So this is the functionalities of like this. Now students, now I am going to enter into the further here. Be careful about it. On this kind of thing, I'm going to apply something like this. In Delhi, how many people are available? In Delhi, how many people are available? I want to find out. In Delhi group, how many people are available? I want to find out. How to get that kind of thing? In Delhi group, how many people are there? Find, find number of, find number of, number of people, number of people in each group, number of people in group, each group. How do you find out? Come on, df dot group by. Directly I am applying here. Group by of what? City, city dot what? Size, size. So you are going to get it. Okay. C is capital. C is capital. So you are going to get it. Come on. Delhi, how many people are there? 4. Mumbai, how many are there? 3. Sydney, how many are there? Like this. Next, I am going to take it. In this case, in this place, you are going to get it. Next, after that, I am trying to write it. One more kind of small thing, student. I am going to apply. I am going to apply H dot What I am applying here, you try to see in the city. When you say this df dot group by of city, what is happening? City based groups are coming. In the city based group, what is the column present there? In the city, in the called city, in the Delhi group, this is called city. Age is coming or not? What is the average age people are available? What is an average value? 41, 45, 43, 42. What is an average age of that group? What is the average age of that group? You will be getting. Age of what? Mumbai, 46, 42, 42. What is the age of that group? And Sydney, age of that group. Here I am going to apply. So I think you are getting it. What is this now? In the grouping, what will be the numeric column there? Age. On that age, what I am finding? Mean. So in Delhi, what is the average age? Mumbai age, Sydney age. Similarly, you can find the experience also. Who is containing the experienced people? What will be the experience of each group? So I'm going to apply. So it is becoming very slow. So coming to the place here, I'm going to apply this type of coming to this here. So find the average experience. This is called number of people in each group. This is called find the average age. Find the average age. Average age of the people in each group. Next, I want to find out which one I want. Average experience. Average experience of each group. What is that? What I need to write? Experience I need to take it. This same column name you need to take it. Same column name I need to take it. So in this place, I'm going to take it like this. So I will go for Delhi 14.25, Mumbai 14.33, and Sydney called what? 15. So more experienced people are there in where? Sydney. Like this type of conclusions you can give it. You can go for writing this. Aggregate functions is there. Do you know aggregate functions? So please come to the point of it. Aggregation concept I'm going to write, students. Aggregation concept I'm going to write. So I will write it. What is this? Aggregation. Do you know aggregation? How I was applied it? Aggregation on experience of each group. So I'm going to write it. Come on. Of course, I'm going to give you of what? Experience. Experience of, I can write AGG. AGG. Did you remember that AGG function now? Right. There I will write it what? Sum of all ages. Next is called what? Mean of all ages. Max of it. Next is called what? Min of it. Like this I'm going to write it. Like this I'm going to write it. Okay. So I will write that column. I will write that column as this. So try to write this entire thing. We are going to write this AGG function. You see students, Delhi. What is the sum of all the ages of the people? 57. Mean of that entire thing, max of that, and min of that. Mumbai is called what? 43. And mean of that, and a max of it. And then what? Come on, what it is called what? Experience. All experience, total experience, and whose mean, max, min. Mumbai, experiences of all the people, and then mean of that, max of it, min of it. Sydney, max of it, sum of it, all these things. This is called which function? Aggregate function. Are you able to understand this group by? This is the first level concept of group by. Next, I will go for applying some filter concept I will explain. Some lambda concept I will explain on group by with the transform function and all. First, is it okay? So I will show you one small concept here. Try to understand. Now I will make you to read out that. Then I will go for the next level. So pandas group by concept I want to make you to understand here. Already we got it. To enter into the further some notes purpose I'm going to show you. Look at that. Group by data frame group by. Start reading all of you. The group by mechanism in pandas provides a way to break data frame into different groups or chunks based on the values of single or multiple columns. So let us understand some example. Assume that we have a data frame. Is it a data frame? We got it or not? So different type of data frame. This was example I shown you already. By seeing that, which one you can group it? ID I cannot group it. Name I cannot group it. Age, if you want, you can group it, but not recommended. City is the most recommended. Experience also you can do it, but not recommended to group it. So column is called what? City is called most preferable one. So this data frame has a column called city, which has three unique values like Delhi group, Mumbai group, Sydney group. We want to create different groups out of this data frame based on the column city. So as this column has only three unique values, there will be three different groups. Group 1 will contain Delhi group, Delhi group. Next, group 2 contains what? Mumbai group. Group 3 contains what? Sydney group. A detailed notes. Now, data frame dot group by method. Start. Data frames group by method accepts column name as argument. Based on column value, it creates several groups and returns a data frame group by object that contains information about these groups. What it contains? Group name plus group information. Group by object contains what? Group name plus group by records will be there. For example, let us create based on the city group. df dot group by of what? City. Group by object is created. Group by object is not printing its original data. Memory space data is getting printed. The group by function created three groups because of the column called city and has three unique values. Returned data frame group by object and the information regarding all three groups. Iterate. Iterate is nothing but what? For loop. I am iterating over all the data frame groups. How do you iterate it? Let us go for using the for loop. For group name plus group rows records in where df dot group of city. What is the data? Group name I am printing. Group content I am printing. Rows is printed. In our example, group name, grp name, grp info. Is it called records or not? Yes. Come on quickly. Output. Delhi group already shown and Mumbai group shown already. Next is called experience. This is the one. Get the first row of what? Each group. What is the first row of each group? What is the function name? Don't take much time. First of returns the first row of each group. Get what? Last row of each group. What is the function name? Last of. Get the nth row of what? Each group. What is that now? Of what? First. Last row. Nth row. I am applying. Nth function here. Nth function here. First row is coming. Next row is called what? This is called get nth row. Nth row of each one. So I will write it what? Nth of what? 2. So it is going to be giving what? Something like what second. So second something like this is coming. Second row information it is going to give you. Second row. Second row information is coming. Second row data frame is coming. So there I will save it. This is my data. Done. Output is also getting printed like this. Here, three unique values city, three groups were created. First function fetched the first row of that and data frame and this entire part you understood. Get the number of values in each group. What is the function name I applied? Size of. So already you know the difference between size attribute and then count of. Here we are using which function? Size of, not size attribute. Remember that. Next term, AGG function, very, very important. AGG function. So apply. What the AGG function will take? Group of function will be aggregated together. So group by city, group by city. What is this now? AGG. Age I want what? Mean. Experience I want what? Sum. This is one pattern I applied. And one more pattern also you can apply. So let us go for this case also I will take it. This case also, like a dictionary format I am applying. In this case, what I did here for experience, I did all these operations. One more kind of operation is what? Get the mean age column values in each group. Sum of experience column in each group. Group by city, age, which one? Age you want what? Mean. And experience you want what? Sum. So that is, you are going to get it. What is this now? Age. For all these people, this is the age, sum of this. Experiences of all these people are like this. Mean of ages and sum of experiences. That is what I did already in the class. Already I did in the class 57, 43, 45. 57, 43, 45. Same. Either you can go this way or you can go like above way. So next, another one is called what? Another way. For age is concerned, size I want, sum I want, mean I want. This is called which concept? Group by concept. Is it clear? Now, now I will go for further. Suppose if the population information is given, they will ask you lakhs and crores of records are there in the data frame. From that, they are asking it separate all the states separate information. What is the best concept to apply? Group by of what you will write? State. In the state, if you want, again, if you go for what mandals and all those things, districts and all, again, I will apply multiple groups or not. So that categorical data will be prepared. Is it clear? Right. Online students, is it clear, students? Can I move forward now? I will go for something little more deeper and deeper. What is this group by concept says? Divide, split, apply, combine. Combine is nothing but transform. So I'm going to go for some more concept here I want to introduce. Don't feel difficulty when I'm going to apply this example. Please look at that. How to use group by transform functions in pandas. Because these are all construct questions in interview. You take any person and ask these questions, they don't know. 101% they don't know. Because after observing so many things, I'm trying to bring out all these things. So, coming to the point of it, try to observe what is the first function I am applying? Group by. Already you know. Today we are going to apply which function also? Transform also I am going to apply. Syntax you don't see first. Example you go directly so that you can understand. Look at pandas, data frame. Just observe df pd dot data frame because I prepared a very important example for you. Team. What is this now? Team. What is the team? A, and then B team. So team A played how many times? 4 times. Their scores recorded, points recorded. Team B also played 4 times and their points also recorded. Are you getting me? So team A, how many times played? Team B played. First time A played how much points? 30. Next time A, next time third time 19. Fourth time, right, 14. Next B first time, B second time, B third time, B 20, B last time, right. Now these are the data frame. You are viewing the data frame. Okay. Now I am going to say, what are the total points of A? Total points of A I want. Average points secured by A. Average points played by A. Total points played by A in all four matches. B, total points played by B. Average points played by what? B. So I will go for applying next. Come on. Example 1. Use group by and transform with a built-in function. Very, very simple. Come on, start. Use the following. Don't worry about all this directly. You can understand. Already you know group by. Group by of what is the best way? Which one I can go for group by? Team name I can use a points team. How many groups? What is that team? A. Next, that's all. Team A. I can find a sum. Group by of team dot what? Sum. Team of B also sum will come. Mean also I can do. Transfer. Start. DF dot group by of team. How many teams? A team, B team. You can imagine group name is A and whose points? Group name is B, whose points? Which one you want to do today? Points. What do you want to find the points? Transform. What is that? Mean. Mean. Transform is a function. Transform is a function. Instead of using transform, you can use what? Dot AGG. Come on. AGG. AGG in the bracket, I can write what? Mean. So that's why by default, what it contains, group by can do what? Group by can do split the data, apply to the function and combine. And combine. That's why it is known as what some people will ask you. Split, apply, transform, concept to explain, they will say. It is nothing but a group by concept only. Okay now? Come on, here what is an output is coming more. Where are you updating that? You are going to create a new column. Are you seeing the new column here? DF of mean points. What is the DF actually contains two columns. Team points. New column you are adding. Do you know how to add the new column? DF of new column is equal to expression. Yes, mean points. What are the mean points of this entire thing? 30 plus 22 plus 19 plus what? 14 by what? 4. Are you following this? This will give you what value? 21 point, 21 point, 21 point. This is an average mean points for which one? For B also you will be getting the average mean points or not? Easy? Yes. Next, go to which one I want to do? Points sum also I want to do. Points average mean is coming. Some points also I want to get it. How do you do? DF dot group of team points transform to which function? Sum, which is also going to give you some points are added. The sum points are also added. 30 plus say 22 plus 19 plus 14. It is going to become what? 85. And the next B points are called what? 73. So this is also going to be finding the transform to which function? Sum. In place of sum, in place of mean, you can define your own function also. You can define your own function also. Which function you can define? You can define normal function. You can define anonymous function also. Do you know anonymous functions? What is anonymous functions called? Lambda. Lambda functions. Already you know lambda. Did I explain? Are you good? What is the syntax of lambda function? Lambda. Don't know. You remember only lambda. You are lambda. Variable name is equal to lambda args list, params list, colon, expression. Expression. You remember only that. Correct. You did not, only lambda you are remembering. ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ రాదు మనకు. అందుకనే జాబ్ రాదు. సో నేను ఈ బిగినింగ్ లో చెప్పాను. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 100%, 65% ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ నోస్ ఓన్లీ థియరీ. అంటే జంక్ దే విల్ లర్న్. చెత్త, దాన్ని చెత్త అంటారు. దే విల్ లర్న్ అండ్ దే విల్ డంప్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్. Because of that, you will receive the ticket. Ticket. That people getting the job is very complicated. After 30 to 35 years are there, they will realize, like a Gautama Buddha. So after that, by the time industry people will treat you as a old man. 32 years is coming, looking for the job is old man. Next, coming to 65 over. ఇంకెంతమంది ఉంటారు? 35. In 35, in 35, కరెక్ట్ నేను చెప్పేది కరెక్ట్ అది. సో రే రేవంత్. సో You try to follow, my dear student. So you don't comment on my shirt. What is this? You try to comment on my subject, my dear students. Try to come to the point. So you people are trying to divert me in all the times. So coming to the point of it, variable name is equal to lambda, params list, colon, expression. If we go to that lambda function, I can apply with what? Filter I can apply, map I can apply, the reduce also I can apply. You already know special functions. So come down. So we are applying transform. What I passed here? Mean. What is the mean? Predefined function. Sum is called what? Predefined function. STD, all those things. So many statistical functions I said or not. Do you remember all the statistical functions? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes sir. Raise your hands. To the meme. Faces to the musare. Girls, who remembered? మనకి ఎందుకు సార్ అవన్నీ బాయ్స్ గర్ల్స్ అయిపోయింది బాయ్స్ హూ రిమెంబర్డ్ మనకి ఎందుకు సార్ అవన్నీ సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ బ్యాక్ కమ్ డౌన్ టు దిస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ come down. Now I am going to apply use group by and transform with what? Custom defined function. That is called what? Programmer defined function. Transform can take what? Either your own function or you can go for what? Predefined function. So I'm going to use it. Custom defined functions. Very, very important. These are all very, very important functions. So with custom defined function, so I will add it custom defined function. But it's called programmer defined function. Either you can define normal function or you can define what? Programmer defined function or lambda function you can define. So the code shows that use the transform function, create custom defined function, calculate percentage of total points secured by each player on their respective teams. Do you know that? What is the points I want to do? Percentage of total points. Come on, how do you do? df dot group by team. What is that? Points. What is that now? Transform. Transform. Do you have any percentage function to calculate in predefined? No. Sum is there, mean is there, majority of them are there. But there is no function called what? Mean. Hmm. Come on, there is no percentage function. How do you do? Lambda x. Come on, x by x dot sum. X dot sum. X by x dot sum ante see 30. 30 by what? 30 by what? Already I said 82. ఎంత పాయింట్స్ పైన కాల్కులేట్ చేసిన కదమ్మా 85. X. What is the value of X? 30. Here G of dot group of these points. This is the what will be taken first term? This one. How the flow I am going to tell. Transform. What is the lambda will receive? First one. This is called what? X. What is the value now? 30. 30 by what? X dot sum. X dot sum how much? 85. 30 by 85. 30 by 85. తెలియదు 30 by 85. So go to the place. Here I am going to write it 30 by 85. So you are going to get it what? 0.329 etc. Into what I can do? Into what I can do? 100. Into what I can do? 100. Is it giving the percentage or not? If you want the two digits to say, comma, what I can say? 2. Is it coming like this or not? Round off. Is it going to be comma? Okay, comma. So it is going to be 35.29 or not? So I will go for this kind of thing. Here I am writing lambda. This entire thing is applied. Is it clear? So now it is going to be 0.35, 0.25 for all these things. 22 by how much? 85. 19 by what? 85. 14 by what? 85. These are all for team A. Team B also we are going to get it or not? Yes, this is called what? Transform which function? Lambda. Are you getting my point? So whenever you go for AGG, there also you can apply your own function, provided you need to define the function already. Are you following? So this is compulsory question here. Custom defined functions are defined here. So transform syntax, you watch it now. Group by value. Transform of what? Predefined function mean. And the next one more is called what? Transform with what function? Custom defined function. I am going to take it. This example I will try to show. I will try to show. Just to try to watch it. Online students, I hope this is going to be group by concept. Next example I will say with the transform function I will take. So next I will go to this place, print of df, print of df. So you are going to get it, all these points. Now I need to go for what? Come on, group by. So how do you get the group by command? Say fast. For gbn, comma what? gb info dot df dot, come on, group by of, come on, team I will write it, team I will write within the double quotes. So I will write print of what? Group name. I will write comma what? gbn. Next is called what? Group information. Group information. Group information. Within that I will write it. Within that I will write it. Print of what? gb info. gb info. There I am going to write it. Print of this entire thing. Print of this entire thing here. So you are going to get it. Group A, whose points? Group B, whose points are going to come. Next, I want to go for getting into what I want to find. Mean of that points I want to get it. Calculate the mean points of everything. Calculate the mean points of everything quickly. Calculate. Calculate the mean of points secured by each team. Each team. How do you do? Df dot group by of what? Team. Group by of team. Dot transform. Transform of what? Mean. Transform mean. How it is going to apply? Whatever the points are there, you are transforming to what? Mean to calculate. Which is going to be put it in where? Put it in where? So df of what? Mean points. Mean points. If at all you are interested, you can go for mean points. First name changes on it, ma'am. Some points I will write it. Some points, some. I will write it some. Some underscore points. I will write like this. There I will write what function? Some function I will write it. There also I will calculate. Calculate sum of points secured by this. So, double. Yes. Df dot. So you will be getting df here. Df you see the sum points are coming or not. Next I want to get it what? Mean points. Mean points. Similarly, go for mean points. So I will take it mean points. So I'm going to write it. Mean points is equal to group by of transform of what? Mean. I will write mean. So there also you will be getting transform of mean points secured by this team of it. What is an error? Cannot set the data frame multiple points in the single column mean points. Hmm? Group by of team. Yes. Of what? Points. So here I wrote it. So this is a team. Sum I set. Here I will write it. Group by team only. Group by team only. Of what? points of dot what? Points P capital A, POINTS. Okay. So you are going to get it DF. Print of what? DF. So you are going to get the mean points. Are you getting it? Now I want to go for what? Percentage. Come on, percentage. How do you calculate the percentage? Calculate the percentage of marks. Calculate percentage of calculate percentage of points. Percent of points. Percent of points secured by each team. How do you do? Quickly. DF dot. So I will take up this quickly. Points. This is called what? Percent. Percent is equal to team points. Transform. Come on. Lambda. Lambda points. Okay. Or X or something like points or X, whatever it is like this. Points. Come on. Points by hmm, points dot sum of points dot sum of. This is called a sum of. So lambda. Sum of or summa? Summa of a. Sum of only, I hope so. Transform na? It is taking sum of. So x dot sum of. Okay, custom defined function. Lambda I am using it. It is called normally it is sum. But we are defining on our own x by this sum of. So that will be going to give you that entire result. So I think you are following me. So if you want, I can apply what also? Come on. Come on, guys. So here it is going to give you one more bracket, close the transform. Okay. So go to the place, print of what? DF, print of DF. Are you getting it? Right. If at all you want to get a percentage format, what you can do? DF of percent, DF of what? Percent is equal to, what I should say? DF of percent, DF of percent into what? 100. And I need to say what? Round off. I need to say round off. So I will say here round off. Round off, comma, 2. Two things you can take it. Print of DF. Print of DF. So is it clear about it? This is a percentage is going to come. In first match, what is the percentage of points coming? All these things. So this indicates they will ask you the question on this. 101% you will get it. What do you mean by transform? Apply and then what? Combine. So split, combine, transform. Apply and transform. Is it clear? Online students, is it clear for you people? Let me go for showing one more example to you students. One more example I want to show you. There is one more example, which is going to be another example I want to show. One more is there, students. Let me go to that. Working with missing data, reading the values from this place. Here. Data frame, which function? Apply. I'm going to take the function name called apply. So apply function, I'm going to take it. Apply function, I'm going to take it. This is also very, very important topic. And don't feel difficulty when we are going to give you all these things. Try to enjoy and try to implement all these things after going to home. Transfer. Once you know group by, transform and apply. So now I'm going to use which function explicitly? Apply function, I'm going to take it. So take this example directly. What is this now? See, look at that. Data frame. This is my data. What is this is called? Come on. Inner list. What are the columns here? ABC. So ABC. Don't see that concept and all. Directly you try to apply. Try to apply. So now I am going to get it when I print a data frame. What will be the values will be coming? What will be the values will be coming? What are the columns? A, B, C. What are the values here? 10, 10, 20. Oh, no. 10, 11, 12. Next, 20, 21, 22. So now I want to apply what? Some function. I want actually some function apply, not necessary. Just I am showing it. Because when you come across this type of coding in our programming, you must able to understand. So try to understand the concept. Using this method, we can apply different functions on rows and columns of data frame. So I'm directly showing the concept because you have a lot of knowledge, understanding in this area. So the objects passed to the methods are series object whose index can be either a data frames index, x is equal to 0, or data frame columns, axis is equal to 1. So already it's a fixed meaning. 0 means rows and 1 means columns. After applying the method, it returns a series or data frame along with a given access of data frame. This function can be used when we want to alter a particular column without affecting other columns. So let us see the example. Applying np.sum function. np.sum function. What is the sum function explained? Sum, cum, sum. Did you remember cumulative sum? In the universal functions I was explained. Functions to all the elements of data frame using data frame dot apply method. The below example shows how can you apply the apply function to all the elements of data frame over the axis. Here, in this example, we choose function as np.sum with a default axis is 0 and axis is equal to 1 programmatically. Start here. This is I am applying here 10, 20, 30, 40 and print this data first of all. Print this data. Go to the place. Here I am going to take new one. This is called, of course, Pandas. What is this function called? Group by, group by with transform, group by with transform, group by with transform. Next, I will take a new example. There is one more example is there with me. I will show that also for you because that is a direct question asked in the interview point of view. So print df, print df. Here I am going to write it. Print df. So this is the data what we are getting it. Now I want to go for applying the function now. So we are going to apply this data. So try to observe it. What is happening here? After applying some function to all the columns of what? Data frame. Print of df dot apply np dot sum. np dot sum. There is no access mentioning. Access mentioning not available means it is going to find row. Access is equal to 1 means. So try to see this now. What will be the A related values? Come on, mom. 30, 30. Is it not called A related 30? So B related called what? 32. C related is called what? 34. 34. This is called what? Access value by default 0. Access value is called what? 1. What is this access value? 1 says columns. Columns. It is reverse, huh? Is it taking reverse? So first one is, I think it is NP related thing is coming. NumPy is coming here. NP related. NP related means it is going to take that related access value. What is this access? Once again, I will write it. Access is equal to what? 0. So access is equal to 0. Try to understand what is this? Inside. I need to write inside. Inside I need to write. Okay. So try to follow this access value. Access is equal to 0 says what? Come on. So 10, 11, 12. What is the value coming? 33. 33 is called what? This one. This one says what? Row column silence. First of all, you see first one. You first see this row. 1 minute you see. You are not able to not able to differentiate the output also. Applying the sum function to all the elements of data frame with the columns whose axis is what? 0. Axis is 0. With the what? Rows. With the rows. Because we are using what? NP here. NP here. With the rows. Axis is what? Axis is 1. Try to understand now. Don't get confused. So what is this data? First of all, you see. Or if you get confused, I will combine both the programs. What is this? First of all, represent column now. Column means what is this column? 10 plus 20. What is the result? 30. What is this now? Columns. What is an axis value I represented there? 0. It is an NP related, NumPy related. 11 and 21. What is an answer? 32. 32 related still with columns. 12 and 22. 34. 34. This is strictly with what? Columns. Next, some function with what? Rows. 33 and then what? 63. What is this first one? How much? 33. Next, 20, 20 plus 2, 1 plus 63. What is this? Rows. Come on. Right. It is going to be easiest for you. What is the function applied? Which function? Apply function I applied. What is the function name I applied it? Sum I applied. You can define your own function also you can do. Start. Applying user defined function or called custom defined function or programmer defined function. This is called custom defined function. So here I am going to write it custom defined function. So apply function. We can pass user defined function as a parameter to the data frame dot apply function. Below example shows the same. Come on, start with same. Whatever the operation you have done the sum, I am going to write my own function I am defining. What is my function? Please look at def add x, add examples x, written what? X plus 1. Print. This is called my own function defined. So this I will carry and I will try to show this example for you as it is. Here we are going to take up. This is the one. Here we are going to write it. In this case, first you do what? This function defines JSON. First I will define. This you try to take out. First you define this function. No. You take this example. Try to post it. This is called which function? Programmer defined function. Try to take out. This you execute. This is finished. What is this add x? Programmer defined function. Come on. Right. Last online students. So this is a programmer defined function. Here pandas, same data. What is the df is providing? Add ex. Add ex. Apply of what? Add ex. So how this is going to provide it? Each values are going to be sending to that kind of thing. What are the values are coming? You see. What are the values are coming? Come on. What is the value adding? Plus 1 is adding. Each value is adding what? Plus 1. So how this is adding? 10 plus 1. Next 20 plus 1. 11 plus 1. 12. All these values are added or not? You can take your entire data like this. I think you people are following this. Clear up? Right. That means apply function can take either a predefined function you can take or you can take what function also? Programmer defined. Next, be careful about it. One more thing. Applying specific function to the selected columns using data frame dot apply. Data frame dot apply. These are all our examples which you need to practice it. This getting into any of the place is very complicated. You cannot understand also. Applying specific function to a selected column. A na, B na, C na, M number of columns. By using which function? apply. If we want to change the particular column without affecting to other, we can use data frame dot apply method like this. In this example, we are altering the only the name column by passing lambda function to which function? Apply. Let's start. Import pandas as pd dot. What is this now? This is the first data, first person data, name and then marks, for example. Anurag, some more marks. Travis, some more marks. Hunter, some more marks. Richie, some more marks. Columns is equal to name, maths marks, science marks, social marks. Okay. Come on. I will go for what? D1 of name. D1 of name. D1 of name. What I am applying? Changing the row sum and etc. into which column? Upper. Upper column. So apply lambda. What is this now? X colon. What is this? X dot upper of. X dot upper of. X dot upper of will give you what? All the names are coming in which data? Uppercase data it is going to come. Are you following me? This part also I will try to keep only title heading I will keep. I don't know. Are you feeling difficult? Huh? No. Nothing is there because these are all our simplest meaning of our subject which we already learned it. So coming to this place, if you want, you can keep one continuity. You can keep one continuity here like this columns. This slash indicates what? Continuity. What is the main function here? Apply. Lambda function is applied. Print the data frame. Here I will print. Here I will print of original data frame. Original data frame. Original data frame. Print of what? DF1. Print of DF1. So there I'm going to get it. After that upper conversion, we are going to do something here. So after the apply function, so here I will apply original data frame with what case? Uppercase names. Uppercase names with the apply function. With apply function. So see this data now. Here this is called our normal values are available. Is it converted into upper or not? Is it reflecting to other columns? No. Very, very important point. Similarly, there is one more kind of concept is there. Fifth, example number fifth, applying specific function to the selected column using data frame dot apply. Come on, what is this now? In this example, we are altering the science column, passing lambda function to the apply method. Name of maths, science, social. What I want to give? I am giving 10 marks extra, adding 10 marks extra to which column? Science column. Can I go for it? How do you do? DF of science, apply. X, X plus 10. How it is processing ma? Each value of science. Each value of science. What is the each value of science here? Each value of science. Science is called last column. Huh? Last but one column. Last but one column. That 10 is going, 80 is going to where? X. X plus 10, 90. 90 is going to be updated in the left side variable or not? Next is called 90. 90 plus 10 is called what? Here like this. 82. It is going to be something like 92. It is going to be like this. I think you are following me. So lambda function is going to receive value from this place. I think you are getting it. So try to go for this also. I will try to carry. Of course, this part I will go to here in the same place. Applying this place. Go to this. In this example, we are altering science column by passing lambda function. So like this, go to the example here. Data frame, original marks as well as altered marks. You'll be getting it. So here, original data frame, as usual, original data frame, you will get it. Next, altered value also, you will be getting it. Next, I'm going to take it, altered values. Original data, after this function is completed, X, this one I will write above in this place. So this is called what? Apply function, main important thing here. Are you following? So here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. This is the value we are going to say. Which one? Science marks. Science marks. Suppose you want to give some 10% hike in that marks. You can give it 10% hike in that marks. Or I will go for adding some marks to it. So you are going to get it. Original science marks. See that original science marks and increased marks also you see. Are you seeing this now? 80, 90, 90 like this you are getting it. Are you getting it? Right. Now I'm asking how to find the total marks of science. Come on. Sum of. Hmm. Now I want to find total marks of this person. See, you will get a doubt. How to calculate the total marks of science? Actually, finding the total marks of science is no meaning. Finding the total marks of Rosam, there is a meaning. Hmm. Yes. Finding the total marks of Gosling, there is a meaning. Finding the total mass marks is no meaning. Yes or no? There is a meaning for finding what? Average maths knowledge, average science knowledge, average what? Social. There is a meaning. But only finding the total science marks is no meaning. If at all you want to find, you can find also. How do you locate the science? DF of science. Dot sum of. Are you getting it? So, like that, you can find out. So, there is a meaning of finding the total marks of row sum. And you know how to find the total marks of row sum. Already explained now? In student case study explained or not? Like that, you can find out. Is it clear, ma? So, next, coming to the like that, you can apply. I think it is more clear. Right. Online students. So, this is called which function? Apply. Anybody says, what is the apply? What is the transform? What is the group by? You must able to answer it. Okay now? Right. Next, one small concept I want to bring student. One more small concept I want to show. Let me go for uh, filtering. These are all concepts completed. Transform is already done. This is, I think, this I will show you. This is also one more I want to take up. This is what I am very much interested. Come on, take up quickly. What is this now? PD dot data frame. What is this meaning is? Like B teams are there na? Now I am taking animal related example. What is this data frame? Animal. What is an animal name? Falcon, falcon, parrot, parrot. What is the maximum speed? First falcon will move. Falcon next second will move. Dot. Dot means what? Floating point value. Next parrot will go for what? Next one. So they will ask you what? Average falcon speed. Average parrot speed. And which parrot will move for fast running or falcon will move faster? I want to find out. How do you find the average animal speed? Group by which one? Animal. Animal. Why animal only? Group by? Because there is a common value is present. There are two groups are there, falcon group and parrot group. And falcon group maximum speed is what? 375. Ikkada 380, 370. What is the average mean? 375. 24 and 26. What is the mean? 25. Are you getting it? So this is called a group by separated transform. Like a separate apply function, as I said to you. This is called pandas. This is called pandas. Which function it is? Apply. Apply. Next, like that, group by transform. Next, I will go to this example. I want to go for it. This example you carry. This example you carry. So first, take this one. Print of what? DF. I will import this. So given data frame, given data frame, printf of df. So print of df. So I will take it something like that for your clarity purpose to see the outputs properly. So this is an output. So falcon and parrot. You can understand which category will have a group by to be applied. Animal or max speed. So mm, find the average speed. Find the average speed of average speed of each animal. Each animal. Come on, how do you find out? As we applied it, group by of animal dot what? Right. So I will carry this. I will find out this one. So what is this now? DF. DF dot group by of this one. So you will be getting it. Maximum speed. Falcon will do. Parrot will do. What is this is again called? If I hold it into left side variable, is it combining into one more place or not? Some X I am going to take it. Print of what here? X. Type of what here? X. It is called a data frame only. What it is doing? Splitting, applying, combining. What is the splitting? Falcon, falcon, parrot, parrot. That is called a splitting. What is applied? Mean. Next, what is applied? Transformed into what? Data frame. What is that data frame? Average speed of each animal. Getting me? This is called which strategy? Muddu. Split, apply, combine. Combine is nothing but transform. Okay. Group by, apply, transform. And a functions point of view. Group by of, apply of, transform of. In English, split, apply, combine. Okay, na? Anyone is coming, you must able to answer it. Compulsory question this is. Go to next. In this example, we created a data frame with two columns. One is animal, max speed. When we then used group by function where animal column calculates the mean of max speed of each group. This result a new data frame showing the average max speed of falcon and parrots. Start with another column. I am going to take it. Import. We are going to use it. So we group more than one column here. Start data frame. Animal, falcon, falcon, parrot, max speed, etc. Type. What is this now? Bird, bird, bird. What is this now? Group by animal. What is this? Type. And you can group by based on more than one column. More than one column you can apply. Single column you can. Maximum number of times you will apply a single column. So animal comma type. Animal comma type is nothing but both of them are called. There are two different groups are there. Both the groups are called what? Board group only. So I can apply two columns, no problem here. Are you following me? So what is that now? So that is going to come. What is this? Falcon board is this much. Parrot board is this much. So the main intention here is grouping of what? Multiple columns. That is grouping of multiple columns is the main intention here. So I will carry this entire data. This also I will carry. This will give you grouping of multiple columns. Grouping of multiple columns. So this is the one I mentioned it. Okay. Max speed, animal dot. I will print this given data frame. Given data frame. This is for your notes purpose. I'm going to use like this. DF This is called a data frame. Now you go for applying on what? This one. So you are going to get it. Falcon bird, animal type, and a type. Both of them are this much. Are you getting it? Yes. Next, max speed and all those things. Import pandas as this one. I want to find out what? Group by animal, AGG. Mean I want to find. Max I want to find. Min I want to find. So I want to find out this aggregation also on this area. Aggregation also I want to find this area. So I will say slash and find this entire thing, max speed and everything. Here I will copy for the sake of the notes, for the clear example purpose I am giving, and print off this one and calculate what mean, max and max and min speed of each each animal, that is called what here? Group. Each animal group. So are you going to get it or not? Max speed. What does that max speed mean? 375. Max speed, max value 380. And min speed is what? That is in the Falcon group, that is. In the Parrot group, 25 is called mean. Max speed is 26. Min speed is what? 24. Getting me? Right. This total thing is known as what only? Data frame. Data frame. Getting me? Right. Online students. Next, come on. Filtering groups. Filtering also again. Filtering. I don't think you are remembering all this stuff. Are you remembering? Cheppanda Madhubabu. Okay, if you don't remember, at least for my deep knowledge, you try to acquire it and try to see. Filtering the groups. Filtering the groups means filter function allows you to filter out the groups and that don't meet certain criteria. Here an example. Already filter function, you know. That same example we are applying. So we are applying the same type of thing. You apply data frame dot group by of what? Animal. What it will do? It will group by based on animal. What are the animals? Falcon, falcon, one group. Parrot, parrot, one group. Parrot, parrot, one group. So this I will keep it here also. Acquiring more knowledge is always important. So this I will carry. This I will keep it. See, without knowledge also we can survive, but job will not be coming 100%. So here, original data frame. If you go to any Python domain, this pandas concept is compulsory, mandatory for you people to learn it. This is called the data. Now, what is my requirement here? Certain criteria I want to go for it. Which one I want to go for it? I'm filtering it. Hmm. Max animal filter. What is happening? First one, what is coming? A group is coming. This I will carry. I will write here. In this case, I will write it. Apply the data. First step. This is called a grouping or not? Because of that, which one is coming? 380 will be coming. First data which is sending to X is called what? 380. X of max speed. What is the X of max speed? 380. What is the function you are applying? Mean. That means the next one is also going to be called what? This one. Falcon. The total group. This mean will be taken. What is the mean of that? 375. Is 375 greater than 100? Yes. That means what will be the value coming out of it? Falcon group will come or not? Next, what the next one will come? Parrot. Both of them are going to be 24, 26. Both the values are going to be taken. X of max speed, this group max speed, and then what is applied? Mean. What is the mean? 25. 25 greater than 0, 25 greater than 100, false. Which group will not be coming? Parrot group will not be coming. Is it not called filtering? Filtering this is. Filtering. So you try to enter into this. What is coming? Falcon 380 and next is what? 370. Suppose if you take it, In this case, 372, I'm going to take it. 372, I'm going to take it. Which one will come first? What will be coming? Falcon group is coming. Falcon group is coming. Of course, this group itself will. I'm not taking individual Falcon here. I'm taking the mean of it. That is the main important thing here. Are you getting it? So even if I write 372, don't expect only first one will come. This the overall mean will be taken and then resulting. Are you getting it? So if at all you want, you can go to writing the first one, you can write it. This is the data. This is the data you are getting. DF dot, what is this now? Come on. This is the DF is coming or not? What you will do? Dot LOC of what? Dot LOC of what? 0. So what is going to come? The first one is coming. Already ILOC, LOC, everything is there now, students. So that part is going to come. Dot LOC of 0. Dot ILOC of 0. You know that? Max speed is coming. Min speed is coming. Almost all the things you know. So you can have the comparison also for that values. So these values are already, ILOC, LOC, all those things will be coming, So I need not to write, I think so. Dot, what I can write it here? What is that now? Max speed. Max speed, I can take it. What is my column name? Max speed, I can take it. This max speed, I can take it. If at all you are interested in that, max speed, I can take it. Max speed, I can take. Max speed, I can take it. So max speed is coming. Are you following this? Like whatever you want, you can get it by using this. So if you want that entire values, if you want, you can take it. Getting me? Right. So I'm going to take it now. This is comes under filtering the groups. This in this example, we are filtering more than that Falcon group whose average max speed is greater than 100. So this is about which function also again? Transform. So what did we understand today? Group by, transform, apply. Explicitly how to do. By default, what it will do? Split, apply, combine. That is by default group by will do with the aggregate function and all. And explicitly also I said this kind of thing. With this, all concepts I covered. And tomorrow class, I will deal with the project level concept that is going to be Google Play Store project. I am going to explain. This EDA project it is called. And it is very easy once you refresh my total concepts. Okay. And tomorrow I will go for that. Once if I open my project, half of the questions you can answer directly. Because once you read well, if you read well, complete questions you can answer. Tomorrow I'll go for Google Play Store project, employee salary analysis spot project, and there is a e-commerce sales analysis is there. Don't miss tomorrow class. With that project, Pandas concept will be done. Okay, now next I'll go for matplotlib also. I will introduce it. Thank you. Carry on. So, online students, you hold on if you have any doubts. Any doubts are there, you hold on. I will explain to you. Online students, I already said in the class, panel is not allows us to store the data. It is an invisible component, I already said. Invisible component, I already said. Prasad, already I said to you, panel is the invisible data. In two data structures only data will be stored. One is series, one more is data frame. Right? Fine. So, Smoothie, if data frame contains missing values, then I want to remove all the missing values at a time. Is it possible? Drop now. Drop now. I think I did not cover it. I will cover that also. Tomorrow I will explain within 2 minutes. Drop now. Drop now says what? Wherever the null values are available, total record will be removed. Smoothie, I think you are following me. Smoothie, drop now. Okay. Mm. SK. Uh, Concept is understanding well, sir. But when we practicing it, getting difficult to understand when to apply. I shown you na examples. I shown you na. Read the notes first. Read the notes. So common values are there. I said to you two things: implicit splitting, implicit applying, implicit combining, transforming is done by group by. Yes, group by city, age, mean, experience, sum versus group by of city, age, size and sum and mean. Yes, it is same. Either dictionary format you can take, or you can take separately. You can take SK. No, that is syntax. That you have to follow syntax. Syntaxes you have to follow. That is what I'm going to say. Already there is a syntaxes. Example syntaxes. Whichever column you want to find out, whichever column you want to find out. See, data frame dot group by is going to give you a group by class. How do you refer the group by data? With a square bracket. With a square bracket. You know, our beginning example, our formula sheet. Our formula sheet is available here. Brackets already we set here. This one, column name, column names, beginning, beginning logics, age. This will give you group by. In that, which column you want to select? Refer the column name like this. SK, I think you are getting me. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm. Two cases I said. One is called what? Either this way you can apply, either dictionary case you can say, or this way you can do. This is for what? Experience. All of them I want. Here, age mean different columns to different operations. Different columns to different operations. See, very clear. Column operation. Another column operation. But here what? Same column, different operations. Same column, different operations. Here, different column names, different operation names. Dictionary. Easy, easy. Right. Okay, Ashish, thank you, my dear student. Tiwari, very soon, ma. Actually, by this time, the batch has to start. Maybe I I will tell you one day, 1 or 2 days before to you in the class itself. It is going to start. Tiwari, 100% it is going to start. I'll intimate to you also. Sai, Mullapadi Sai. Statistical functions are we can anything to do, sir. Statistical functions are we can think anything. What is that English? Statistical functions I already said to you. Statistical functions I already said na. Already said statistical functions in series. You are applying the statistical functions on each column of the data frame. You can apply. Already I taught to you. Mullapadi Sai already said to you. Okay. SK, I will try to send it. I will try to send it. All of them at once in one place. Mohammed, which batch is going to start? That is Python, full stack Python. I will send it. SK, I will send that. Okay, students, take care, ma. All the best. Don't miss the next class. So, Abhishek, what is your doubt, ma? Abhishek. So, you did not put any doubt recently. Abhishek, what is your doubt, ma? Okay, Django classes. See, ma, whichever batch they start, I will take it out, students. So, anything they can start, that I will take it, students. Smoothie. Sir, any questions related to NumPy Pandas? If you have, can you please send it? Yes, ma. Let me complete the batch. I will send you. I'll send you. Okay, students, thank you. All the best. Don't miss the next class. Tomorrow class is very important. I'm going to. Okay, SK Naresh IT Naresh IT at the rate support. Naresh IT at the rate support. Something is there. SK uh, Naresh IT something support is there. You can send mail also. Okay. Thank you, students. All the best. Okay. So take care, mom. So take care. All the best. All the best. Right, students. Take care. All the best.